Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete apps on your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is search for an app that you want to delete. So for example, this app Reminders. What you can do is long press and then it will give a few options. So you can edit it from home screen or remove app. So for example, if you don't want it at your home screen, you can edit home screen. Remove app and just remove it from home screen. Now, if you want to find it, so it's not on your home screen anymore, but you can go to the side to app library and then you can find it here on the top. So it's easy to find. So if you want to delete an app completely, what you can do is like Candy Crush, you can see it here, but if you can't find it, you can just search for it. And you see it at the top here. Or just in the home screen. Also, what you can do is long press and then at the bottom tap remove app again and then delete the app completely. So tap on the red one and then it makes sure if you want to delete it, also its data is deleted. So be careful before you do this, but if you want to delete it completely, just press delete and then the app is completely gone. If you wanted to download it again, go to the App Store and you can download it again, but for now it's completely deleted from your iPhone. And this is how to delete apps.